and a great event. Farmer, tractor, and all this kind of stuff going on. Hey Grandpa, you're missing a nice event. Something going on. It's gonna be awesome. I don't want to go there. Can't see anything there.
And welcome to the Glencoe Truck and Tractor Pull. We got 300 feet of power grabbing track. We got 5 acres of some of the finest pulling machines the province has to offer.
Make sure
and we are
lock
getting
it.
ready to kick the tires and light the fire on a fantastic night of pulling ahead of us. We are going to start off our show in the usual fashion as we do with all motorsports in the great nation of Canada. So if you would please rise if you are able and remove your hats for the playing of our national anthem. Man, folks, Clint was not quite good enough. 279.51. 279.51 for Clint. That's where we got him, folks. Put your hands together. 272.62 feet. 272.62 for Curtis Armstrong and Allison James. Had a good bite on the track there, but just a little bit of a power hop throughout that run. It's going to rob him of some footage on the big end. Every time those wheels are anything but smooth. Him ahead, folks. Power to stage off to the races. Him ahead, folks. That was a furious looking pass from Greg Ranger. 284.80 feet. 284.80. Now him ahead, folks. Got himself out to 260.67 feet. 260.67. What we're seeing this class right here is all of our competitors taking a little bit more. And hitting the treasure at number That's where we got him. Give him a hand, folks. 274.91 feet. Cut the old Ollie to work. Give him a hand, folks. He got the job done. Not only did he retain his spot atop the leaderboard, he eclipsed his first mark. So Kevin Patterson getting out to 293.
This is a pickup truck.
Put your hands together, folks. Dave Robinson getting out to 271.43. 271.43. Just over 20 mile per hour top speed down the track. Little bit of a tough start there. Got up underneath his RPM. Turn that down. So here comes our first official hook of the 5. Mission accomplished. Give him a hand, folks. Troy Gibson getting 268.79. 268.79 on mission accomplished. Kryptonite. Here comes Kryptonite.
Keep going, buddy.
Green lights, green flags. Here comes Built for Business. Well, show them your appreciation, folks. He had a really good looking pass there. to beat. Here comes the roundup. Put your hands together, folks. He got right in the neighborhood. Give him a hand, folks. He had a little bit of a bumpy ride, but we'll see how close he is. Got into a major power off there. Here comes Tom Petty. Well, folks, give him a hard luck round of applause. Give him a hand, folks. Give him a hand, folks. Jumping over that track, you're under control. That's where we'll get them, folks. Put your hands together, folks. That's the way it's done. This is gonna be close. Give him a hand, folks. That's aftershock, getting out to 2:15.